I understand that you operate the Alternative Cancer Treatment Clinic in St. Paul. What are the most common therapies or treatments that you offer?
Well, most people seek us out because of our work with Rife frequency technology, RIFE.
Okay.
So that's
You'll have to explain that.
so that is an instrument that was developed back in the 1930s and 40s by a man named Royal Raymond Rife, who now it bears his name, using light frequencies to help kill pathogens. And he did a lot of his work on helping kill cancer cells.
Is that a similar kind of technology to, like, I'm vaguely familiar with certain water treatments or water filtration treatments using a certain light? Is that the same thing or completely different?
That's completely different. So like water treatment would be like using ozone or something like that, or in ultraviolet light to help kill pathogens in the water. Rife frequency is a light frequency. It's a Tesla tube. And it is, you can program it with the different machines that are out there based upon whatever frequency you want to run on the machine. So from basically simplest terms, from a quantum physics perspective, everything that exists is energy that's vibrating at a specific frequency. So cells are vibrating at a specific frequency. Cancer cells are vibrating at a specific frequency. If you could hit that cancer cell at its own frequency, multiple positive events could happen. So Rife believed if you hit the cancer cell at its own frequency, you cause cell lysis, which is cell death. Lysis is what's called a pathological death of a cell. That's what happens typically with chemotherapy, is cell lysis. I don't necessarily believe that cell lysis actually occurs with Rife, or we would get ill effects like detox reactions and such that you get with chemotherapy. But I do believe that it stimulates apoptosis. I do believe it stimulates an immune system reaction. Anything you hit with its own frequency is going to cause that thing to vibrate. And that's going to help the immune system, your T cells, your macrophages, to recognize that as an enemy, because that's one of the problems with cancer is your own cells. It's not an enemy like a bacteria. It's your own cell that's in a rapid replication phase. And your immune system is created to not attack self-tissue. That would be called an autoimmune disease. So your immune system is created to leave cancer cells alone, your own tissue cells alone. So if you can stimulate an immune response to the cancer, you can help your body kill the cancer. And that's really how I believe Rife works. There's about 25 different theories. If you read some in-depth quantum physics, energy medicine books, there's numerous out there on the market. You get into detailed theories on how it actually works. But I think in the simplest form, you're stimulating an immune response to help your body attack the cancer. And that requires an immune response. So you have to have a healthy immune response. And that's where using other things to stimulate a healthy immune response, like nutraceuticals and essential oils and stuff, is essential to go along with the Rife in order for it to work at its best.